Hi, my name is Samantha and I am going to be showing you how I make a watermelon slushie. So a watermelon slushie is really simple. It's just two ingredients. You just need ice and some watermelon. So I'm going to grab a little blender cup and then I am going to just put some of the watermelon from the bag into the blender cup. Once we have a few pieces of watermelon in our blender, we just want to go ahead and add the ice. So now that we have our ice and our watermelon together, we can go ahead and blend it. And you might need to shake it up just a little bit just so that you get all of the ice blended. Alright, so once you've blended it all together, it'll just kind of look like this little pink slushie. So then now I'm going to grab a glass. And now I have a watermelon slushie. It's a super refreshing drink for the summer. It's nice and sweet, but still tastes natural and like watermelon. I hope you like it and I hope you try it.